Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build an open heart watch. I will be using this NH38 movement, along with this beautiful textured green dial. Let's start by removing the unwanted dial stems. Cut using a flush cutter, and then file with a metal file. Gently attach the dial to the movement. I love how this is turning out. Let's start with the hands now. First, the hour hand. Then the minutes hand. And last, the seconds hand. It looks wonderful. I attach the rotor sticker before putting the movement in the watch case. Now remove the dummy stem and gently place the case front on the movement. Attach the spacer ring. Insert the stem and measure how much needs to be cut. Carefully cut the stem. File it before attaching the crown and inserting it back into the movement. Place the rubber seal and close the case back. Attach the bracelet and we are done. I am very happy with this build. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.